At home, when wrapped in prosciutto, topped on a pizza, baked into cakes, tossed into salads, or served alongside meat, figs can amp up the flavor of any meal. And if you've passed by the produce aisles without tossing in a couple of these juicy fruits in your cart, we've listed a few health benefits that will convince you to do otherwise. Fights diabetes and its complications. A few preliminary analyses have found that an extract of fig tree leaves lowered blood glucose levels in rats. A separate animal study found that fig extract could contribute to the remedy of diabetes by normalizing blood fatty acid and vitamin E levels, both of which normalize glycemic control. In addition to this, it normalizes antioxidant activity to fight oxidative stress and inflammation caused by diabetes, which can lead to high cholesterol and heart disorders. Fight skin disorders and prevent skin aging. Add 2 mashed, fresh, figs, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey to a bowl and apply this mixture to your face for hydration and glow. However, avoid doing this if you're allergic to latex. Traditional medicine involved the use of figs to treat acne, eczema, vitiligo, and psoriasis. One comparative study found that fig tree latex could remove warts. As a result of which, some studies have linked the makeup of fig leaves to better forms of photodynamic therapy to treat certain types of skin cancer. If you're worried about wrinkles, multiple studies have found that fig leaf extract could reduce them. People who use creams with fig extract, leaf or fruit, found a decrease in the length and depth of their wrinkles. This could be attributed to fig's antioxidant and anti-collagenase enzymes that hinder collagen function properties. These creams may also reduce hyperpigmentation, acne, and freckles. And if you're unsure of finding products with figs, just eat them instead. Regarding the fact that they're packed with vitamins and minerals, you're bound to see some benefits on your skin. Prevents heart disease. Keeping in mind the fact that figs prevent diabetic complications like high cholesterol, it's no surprise that studies have linked its consumption to reduced incidence of heart disease. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in figs, reduces blood cholesterol, preventing the incidence of high blood pressure and heart attacks. In addition to this, the potassium and omega-3 fatty acids content in figs prevents coronary heart attacks, prevents colon cancer, and maintains gut health. Figs are loaded with pectin, a type of soluble fiber, which aids healthy bowel movements and relieves constipation. The numerous seeds in figs contain high levels of mucin, a type of protein that may collect and expel waste material in the colon regularly. Owing to these two factors, the consumption of figs is believed to prevent the incidence of colon cancer. Macular degeneration. Fruits have an important role to play in the prevention of age-related vision loss. Investigations have found that the consumption of fruits, especially those high in vitamins A, C, and E, prevented the development of age-related macular degeneration. Experts recommend 3 servings of fruit every day, so toss some figs into your morning smoothie or snack them in the evening.